Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to images in Weebly. This is a great way to provide context, descriptions, or additional information directly beneath your images, making your website more informative and visually appealing for your visitors. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and settings. Now focus on the left menu where you'll see the option labeled Website. Click on it to expand your site management options. Under the Website section, you'll find the Edit Site button, so go ahead and click that. This will bring up a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly, allowing you to choose which one you want to work on today. Select the website you want to edit, and then look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see an Edit button there. Click it. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your chosen website, where you can make all your design changes and modifications. Once you're on the editor page, check the top menu and make sure you're on the Build tab. This is important because the Build section is where you'll access all the elements and tools needed to design and customize your site. Now shift your focus to the left side menu where you'll find various elements you can add to your pages. Look for the element labeled image in that left side menu. When you find it, simply drag it onto your website, placing it wherever you'd like the image to appear on your page. After you've dragged the image element onto your site, click on it to activate the upload options. Upload your desired image by selecting it from your computer or choosing from your existing media library. Once the image has been uploaded and is visible on your page, click on it again. This will bring up additional options for customizing that image. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Caption. Click on Caption to enable this feature. Immediately, a text box will appear beneath your image. This text box is where you'll input the caption you want to display. Simply type in your desired caption text, whether it's a description, credit, or any other information you want to share with your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully added a caption to your image in Weebly, giving your site more context and professionalism. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.